Hi guys, how are you? I'm just going to show you how my black and white action works and pick this picture. This is my action. You click what black and white, make sure you're in background only. You play it and that's it. This is dramatic one, so if it's too much for you, you just add a curve and bring up your blacks and you can make a little more mate the picture and not too much strong. But if you like dramatic, just leave it like that. You can use it for landscape, portraits, anything. This is another ones that I did with this action. I added here a little mate too. um, so yeah, it's pretty easy, one click only. Let me see if I can show you another one here. What about this one? As you see, keep the whites very nice. You can leave it or add a cursive as said and bring up here, and that's it. So I hope you like it. It's on sale now for $10. Thank you.